everyone, welcome to another awesome video. Today we're diving into the world of classic Hollywood's leading ladies and their sons. Ready? Let's get started. Audrey Hepburn, Luca Dotti, Sophia Loren, Carlo Ponti Jr., Elizabeth Taylor, Michael Wilding Jr., Debbie Reynolds, Todd Fisher, Blake Denner, Jake Paltrow, Brigitte Bardot, Nicholas Jack Cherrier, Olivia de Havilland, Benjamin Goodrich, Barbara Eden, Matthew and Sarah, Grace Kelly, Albert, Hedy Lamarr, James Lamar Markey, Doris Day, Terry Melcher, Maggie Smith, Toby Stephens, Gina Lollobrigida, Milko Escapik Jr., Barbara Streisand, Jason Gould, Lauren Bacall, Sam Robards, Ingrid Bergman, Robin Rossellini, Jane Russell, Thomas Waterfield, Judy Garland, Joey Loft, Marian Ross, Jim Meskimen, Shirley Temple, Charles Alden Black Jr., Roxy Roker, Lenny Kravitz, Shirley Jones, Sean Cassidy, Faye Dunaway, Liam Dunaway O'Neill, Joan Crawford, Christopher Crawford, Loretta Young, Christopher Lewis, Jane Wyman, Michael Reagan, Vanessa Redgrave, Caro Gabriel Nero, Cloris Leachman, Morgan England, Anne Bancroft, Max Brooks, Sid Charisse, Nicholas Charisse, Jane Mansfield, Mickey Hargitay Jr., Esther Williams, Benjamin Gage,